Hi patrons, showing you a beautiful Softail heritage. The work done by us is primarily at the back part of the bike, wherein we have done the top touring box and the side panniers, the classic style. Let me give you a 360 degree, rotatable 360 degree chrome highway footboards. Looks gorgeous with the top rail, super finished. The box comes with a inner manager. This is optional if you want it. All covered wires, plugs. The same is the case for the side panniers as well. You get inner bags in the side panniers as well. So when you check out, you just take your inner bag out. So hope you guys like it. This is the 80-liter shallow razor box and the 2020 panniers. Yeah, I forgot to talk about the grill. It comes with very nicely finished chrome grill to protect your boxes. The back part of the carriage comes with again a chrome connector, and you can mount your flag post as well on it, like we have done on this bike. Thank you.